Good morning, Abs here from Burtness Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a quick walk around video on that 2021 Buick Encore. This vehicle does have all your safety packages, so it has your lane departure warnings, your forward collision sensors, it has your backup camera, it does have rain sensing wipers as well, an all-wheel drive, full-time all-wheel drive, along with those sport wheels there. Very, very nice looking vehicle. You can see on the inside here, does have your keyless entry right here, and does have your blind spot monitor system as well. Does have your power driver's seat along with power windows, power mirrors. Vehicle also has your Bluetooth, push to talk buttons, your cruise control. See here, the vehicle only has 43 miles on it. It does have the upgraded radio screen, so it does have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here's your backup camera there. And then it is all touchscreen. Down here you do have your parking sensors, your lane deviation warnings, and then your AC and heat settings down here. You do have all your USB plugins and auxiliary ports. Very, very sharp looking vehicle. Back seat. Still plenty of room for anybody to fit back here, along with an extra 120 volt right there. Great looking vehicle, great color in the black. If you'd like to take a look at it in person, please give me a shout. Phone number is 262-473-6060. Thank you.